Criticals. Please, today we are going to learn about ATM. But before we start, please hit on the subscription button. Okay, I beg of you, just subscribe for more and hit on the notification bell so that if we drop new tutorials, you'll be alerted. Okay, let's start. Okay, with HTML, in any HTML line of code, there are stuffs with which you have to know. This is a line of code, HTML line of code, but in a normal line of code of HTML, let me start with this so that I get to know much about it. Let's get to our HTML environment. Okay. Let's use this. Okay. In any HTML environment, this is a tag. This is a tag. This is a tag. This is a tag. Oh, sorry. This is a tag. This is a tag. Later, I'll tell you the reason why I brought here an ASCII or something, ANASSY or something. And this is a tag. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is a tag. Okay. This is a tag. This is a tag. Okay. This is a tag. 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 Okay. This is how HTML was molded. Everything that is beneath the HTML, in between the HTML, it's like you giving birth. Yeah. All your children is beneath you. I get me. They are your property. They are your family. Let's say it in that way. They are your family. Your children are your family. That's how this one is. Okay? Let's say this is the head of the family, and this is the head of this family, this family. The title, the head is the head of the title over here. You can add the link of a website over here with which it will be beneath the head. Okay, and body, all the things over here are beneath body. Okay, everything that is beneath, like in between two tags, every set of code that is been like in between two tags works beneath it. It doesn't work over it. It works beneath it. Okay, let's move to a different aspect. Let me tell you why I brought the P, B, big, I, small, and sub. Okay, let's go here. Okay, the title. The title is what shows this. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. The title is what always shows here. Okay, let me copy this code of mine and place it here. So that I show you. After that, I'll leave this beneath it. In case you need it, you can go for it. Then you can make changes. Okay. Okay. Let me save it so that I tell you stuff about it. Okay. Here's the line of code. Okay, the reason why I brought the Anasi is to title my website. Okay, this title is what comes here. I can bring a friend say a sticker. I can include a sticker, but we are not yet there. When we get there, I'll show you how to include stickers like Google, how Google come here, the G or something, or all those stuff I'll teach you. Okay, for the paragraph. The paragraph brings spaces in between. Let's say when you are writing something, it brings spaces. It helps bring spaces in your work. It's way to make it presentable. Okay. And the paragraph is what I've talked about. That's the paragraph is bringing the space between it, the spaces between it. Okay. And the big. Okay. This is the big. Now bold. Bold. The bold, as you know, in Microsoft Office, that's what the bold has done over here. Boldings like it broadens the caps, the line, the sentence. Sorry, it broadens the sentence. And the big, it increases the size of the text. It increases the size of the text. Sorry for that. And the big. Big is what I've talked about. Italic. I stand for italic. And you know italic. Okay. And small. Okay. This is a normal test of line. When I started with this is a normal test of line. When I started with this, talking about this. Yeah. When I started with the first paragraph, you see the line sentence over here. I didn't add anything. But here I added small. Come here, dear. Okay. I reduced. The small helps you to decrease the font size, and the big helps you to increase the font size of your sentence or of your word or anything you want to increase or decrease. If you want to increase, use big. If you want to decrease, use small. And the reason why I brought the sub SUB. Okay, the reason is that let me space it out so that I tell you the reason why. It's A2, right? In normal case, if you type A2, it's going to be like this. The 2 is never going to come beneath the H, never. The reason why I use the stabs help you to bring words or numbers, alphabet or numbers beneath. Okay, and there is something we call superscript. This is a subscript. This is a subscript, and this is a superscript. The superscript helps you to like bring out the square or something, square root of something. Let's say 7 square. I don't know how to say this. This is how it works. Okay, if you want to square 100, I get in square 100. You type in, let's say, the 100 out. Okay, then you bring the superscript. Okay, then you bring it out like this. Then in between the sub. Okay, you type a square, or if you want to be 3, it's up to you. 4, it's up to you. Any number you want to bring, it's up to you. And you let me change it here so that I run the program so that you see how it works. Okay, let me make it 4 or 5 or 55. Let me see it. Okay. You see, I made it 55 and 55 has changed. And let me change the subscript so that you know how this two works. Okay, let me save it. You see, that's how it works. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's come to the comments. Okay, when you are writing set of codes, okay, you get to a point with which you have to type something there so that you will recall what you were doing at that time, or at that place, or at that point. Okay, so with this, only the programmer is going to see. The user is not going to see it. Only the programmer, the person who is programming the code, is going to see, because he wrote it out. And this is called comment. Okay, this is called comment. Whatever, let's say, let me bring it here. Okay, let me bring some of the comments so that you know how it works. Okay, let's say this. Oh, I'm not talking about you. Okay, this. Set of line. Have you seen? It's like it has changed its color, or it has changed its mode. So let's say I bring it here, the line, then this. That means whatever that is between here and here is not going to be shown. Let me say refresh it. Are you getting what I'm saying? Whatever that I bring in between the comments is never going to show. Okay, let me clear it. Okay, let's move to a different aspect. Okay, let's say if you want to sorry for that, bring in an image. Okay, bring in an image. The image tag is IMG. Okay. Oh, how come IMG? Why is it not showing? I don't know why it's not showing. There is the okay. Let me make it in this way. This is an image tag, okay. And if you want to upload an image onto your site, your site, you have to use this tag, image tag. Okay, it's going to help you bring up an image or upload an image. And if you bring up this tag, you are not done, because this IMG is not going to generate its own image. You have to insert something with which is going to help you locate where the image is. Okay, so we are going to bring up SLC, assign it to this task, and here you are going to allocate, like go search for your image. Go search for an image. Going to use this image. Let's copy. Let's copy image dot what? JPG. Okay. So this is our image. Okay, this is our image. We have uploaded an image. So how is the image going to work? That's the question we have to ask ourselves right now. How is the image going to work? Okay, let's save it and where is our browser? We saved it, but it never came, right? We saved the image, like we have uploaded the image, but it never came. Why? Because with this you have to get something we call its height and its width. Okay, any image has every image has its width and its height. Without the height and its width, it's never going to show, or it's never going to display. Okay, and this is how we are going to bring its height and its width. Assign to. Okay, let's take. Okay. And let's go to the its width. Assign to 150, the same 150. Okay, the same 150 clicks. Okay, let me take it out.
DJmusic.com. It's crazy on it.
The music hype.
Oh God. After doing this, I get to know. After bringing in this, line of code, the line of code has measured. Let's say this is a rectangle of what? Yeah, let's say a rectangle or a square. Somehow, I don't know. Okay. This line of code brought what we have, like we are seeing over here. This line of code. Please, there is not that. I beg of you. This height and its width. Okay. I beg of you. The height and its width. So if you want to upload an image, this is how you have to do it. And let me tell you something. One thing you have to know about HTML. HTML is very, very easy to learn. Okay, HTML is very, very, very easy to learn. In our next tutorial, I'm going to tell you about the image, and we are going to move to the login. After me telling you about image, we are going to move to its logins and everything. Okay, so please subscribe and stay tuned. Watch the next tutorial. Okay, there you're going to know a lot about HTML. Thank you.